welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Steve. Today I'm going to help you with some bit of logarithm. So for our second law of logarithm, you're going to use the second law of indices. So we're going to use to derive from the second rule of indices, which we said a m when divided by a n is going to give us a m subtracted to n. So let's say, let's say x is equals to a raised to power m and y is equals to a raised to power n. So this means that x multiplied by y is the same as a m. So this means that x divided by y the same as a m divided by a raised to power n, which is equivalent to a m subtracted to n. We're good. So we're going to say x divided by y is equivalent to a m minus n. So we're going to go back to logarithm now. Remember when we said converting from index to logarithm? This is our base, this is our index. So when writing this, we're going to say log of x over y to base a is equivalent to m minus n. So remember what we said, that x, we said what? X is equals to a raised to power n. So when writing this into logarithm, it will be log of x to base what? A is equivalent to m. And we said also y is equals to a raised to power n. When writing to logarithm, it will be log of y to base a is equals to n. So this we have this here and we have this here. So n is equivalent to this and m is equivalent to this. So when you come back to here, we're going to use these two equation to. So this means that ax over is equals to the way I've said m over n. But we've said here m is equivalent to this and n is equivalent to this. So this means log ax over y is equivalent to log ay minus pause. This means that log ax over y is equivalent to m. We've said it's log x base a subtracted to log y base a. So there we have it. That is our second law of logarithm. You can pause the video and check how you've driven the formula. So we're going to give our first example. We're going to use the two examples. So examples are log 64 subtract to log 4 and log 36 subtract to log 2. So we're going to start with our first. We said when you minus is the same as dividing, so it will be log 64 minus log 4 will give us what? Log 64 over 4. This is the same as log what? 16. Are you together? Because 64 divided by 4 is 16. We're going to move back to our b. This was our a. Our b, it's log 36 subtracted to log 2. What are we getting? You're going to get log what? Log 36 divided by 2. So this is the 18. So there we have it, our second rule of logarithm. We're going to move to our third rule of logarithm. For this one, It's simple, there's no need of driving it. So you can pause the video and then check how you've done it from how you've driven the law. From there, how you've done it up to the end. So we are going to move to our third rule of logarithm. Here we're not going to drive it because it's simpler as just explaining it and you're going to get the concept. Law or law of logarithm. So when you have log is in form of this form, so log to base a x raised to power y, this will give us y log a x. So this is our rule of logarithm. Simply, you can see what has happened. This one has been brought to the end. So this one has been brought here. That's why you're going to give us that. So simply means that when you're told log 100 to base 2 raised to power 4, this will simply give us 4 log 100 to base 2. Just take the power to the other end of the logarithm. Are you together? So that is the third law of logarithm. So to go about it, we're going to do two examples. So the first example. Okay, we're going to start with this example. We have example 1. 2 log 4 plus 3 log 5. You're told to, you're going to calculate this. The way I said, so A is 3 log 4 plus 3 log of 5. So you can pause the video and check if you can do this. And then from there, I'm going to show you how it's supposed to be done. So this we're going to write it the way we said in our rule here. Here we said this when it's here, it's going to be taken to this end, and when it's here, it's going to be brought up there. So for this case, it's here. We're going to take it up there. So it will be log 4 raised to power 3 plus log of 5 raised to power 3. And remember, when we said it's adding, you're going to what? To multiply. This is how we say this the first law. So we're going to use the first law to, it will be log 4 raised to power 3 times what? 5 together. This is equivalent to log 4 raised to power 3 is 64 times 125. So 64 multiplied by 125. This means that log 8,000. So there you have it. So you can pause the video and check how you've done it. And then we move to our second example. The second example, it has been said that without using a table or a calculator, evaluate log 2 plus 2 log 5 minus log 3. By just writing to simplify this very fast for you. So it will be log 12 plus 2. So it will be, the first step is log 12. You're working this, the first step, it will be log 12 plus log 5 raised to power 2 minus log 3. Are we together? So you're going to move to our second step. Our second step is, this one will be 25. So it will be log 12 plus log 25 minus log 3. So this means plus and then divide. So this will be log 12 times 25 subtracted to log 3. So this is log 12 times 25 divided by what? 3, because it's minus. So this will give us log 12 times 25 over 3. So this will cancel 1, this will be 4. So log 4 times 25 will be 100. And we know log 100 is equivalent to what? 2, because this is base 10. So there you have it. So you can pause the video and then check how we've moved from the top to the end. So there marks the end of our video today. So we have done with all the 3 rules of logarithm. So thank you for watching. If this video was useful to you, to click the subscription button and stay tuned for more videos.